Hey, Satnam. My name is Johanna, and I want to share with you a very simple, short, and very powerful pranayama, breathing technique to help strengthen the immune system. Let's tune in, and then I'll explain what we're doing. In Kundalini Yoga, before we begin any practice, we do something called tuning in. We chant the mantra Ong, O-N-G, Ong, Namo, Gurudev, Namo, 3 times. And this tunes us to ourselves. We connect ourselves and give reverence to the infinite wisdom and to that teacher, to that knowing that is within us. So let's bring our palms together. We can rub them a little bit, make some friction and some heat, and then bring them to the center of the chest. We can apply about 5 pounds pressure between the palms and then up against the sternum. We'll close our eyes and our gaze will be up at the third eye point. And let's take a deep inhale through the nose. Suspend the breath here. Exhale through the nose. We're sitting with a tall, straight spine. Inhale again through the nose. Suspend the breath. Exhale through the nose. Again, inhale. Suspend. Exhale. And with this next inhale, we will begin tuning in. Again, the mantra is Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. We'll say it 3 times. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Suspend the breath. And exhale, relax. Beautiful. Okay, so for this exercise, we're gonna do a panting dog breath. Our eye gaze is going to be at the third eye point, between the eyebrows and above the nose, kind of where the root of the nose meets the skull bone. Our hands are going to be in Gyan Mudra, or the wisdom seal. Our pointer and our thumb, the pads are going to connect and make a little seal, and our palms are going to be up, resting on our lap. We can do this seated in a chair or on the edge of a bed, on the couch. Just make sure your feet are planted firmly, both feet are planted firmly on the ground, and you are sitting with a straight spine. You could also do this seated on the floor, cross-legged, on a cushion or pillow, whatever is comfortable or accessible for you. And we're going to stick our tongue out as far as it can go. Don't be shy. And we're going to pant like a dog. We're going to use our navel center, that spot about 3 fingers below your belly button, and that's going to be kind of like a pump, and it's going to pump our prana, our life force energy, and circulate it through our organism. This is going to strengthen our nervous system. It's going to strengthen our immune system. It's going to make us more resilient and brighter. It's going to strengthen our lung capacity. It's going to strengthen just our lung system. And it's going to clear out any old, stagnant grief or sorrow that has been, that likes to hang out in the lungs. So any old pain, we're gonna clear that out with this, with the navel pumping, and also we are, really working our lungs in this breath. So it's only 3 minutes long, no big deal. And it is gonna change our lives. So let's do it. Again, hand position, Gyan Mudra, palm up on the lap. Eye gaze is going to be, the eyes are closed down, but the gaze is going to be at that third eye point where your pituitary gland is. And we're going to do the panting dog breath. So if you are pregnant or on your heavy days of your cycle, this any kind of panting or breath of fire breath is not a good idea. So you could do slow, deep breathing if you fall into that category, or just not do this on those days. Everybody else, let's do it. Let's inhale and begin. This is a rhythmic breath. You're going to pace ourselves. We're doing this for a couple of minutes, so find a rhythm that is sustainable. And you can try maybe mentally vibrating Sat Nam, Sat on the inhale, Nam on the exhale, to maybe keep a pace, a rhythm. You could do it to a music track that might help you keep a beat, but find a pace that you're going to be able to continue with for the duration. And if you cough, that's great, it's working. If you don't cough, great, it's working. If you need to pause and catch your breath or clear your throat, have a sip of water, okay. Reset and then join us. We are almost halfway there, so let's continue. Straight, spine is straight, chin is tucked ever so slightly just to help lift and open up the heart. We have less than a minute to go. Last 30 seconds. Refocus, recommit. You can do it. You've got this. Inhale here. Tongue is pressed up against the roof of the mouth. Tongue is pressed up against the roof of the mouth. We're squeezing the root lock, contracting the rectum, navel, sex organs up and in, pulling the energy up the spine. Exhale, release. Inhale again. Contract the root lock up and in. Gaze is at the third eye point. Tongue, upper palate. Squeeze the energy up the spine. Exhale, release. Last time, deepest inhale. Gaze is at the third eye point. Tongue, upper palate. Breath is suspended. Squeeze that root lock up and in. Contract the rectum, navel, sex organ. Lift the energy up the spine. Squeeze it up, up, up. Exhale, release. Pause here. Be perfectly still. Allow the energy to circulate through your being. Excellent. Now we're going to close with the Long Time Sunshine song and some Satnams. The first time we sing, the words are, "May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on." The first time we sing this, we bless ourselves. So open yourself to receiving that. And the second time we sing it, with our blessed heart, we now bless others. So visualize yourself sending this out to somebody that you care about, to a group of people that you care about, your community, the medical community, people at the grocery store, anyone and everyone, the whole planet. Everybody could use a little extra love and blessings right now. So let's bring the palms together at the heart center, and we'll inhale and begin. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Guide your way on. Guide your way on. Satnam. 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 Peace to all, light to all, love to all. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for taking the time to help heal yourself. When we heal ourselves, we heal the world. So thank you and keep it up. I'll see you next time.